A very good evening to all of you. Namaste, hi, and hello. Hope that all of you are doing well, keeping safe. We had an Instagram live session a couple of weeks back, and it was such a pleasure to reconnect with all of you and interact with all of you once again when we met a couple of weeks back. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe as the second wave is so slowly trailing off. It's important that we be careful so that we do not be the catalysts for the third wave of this corona pandemic. And I really want to thank you all for joining us this evening for this very special session. Priya, thank you very much for joining. Vignesh, I am fine and I hope you're doing well as well. Shashidhar Pandey, so grateful you're with us. At Witty27, namaste to you as well. Venkatesh Kalyan, thank you. Neha Patel, thank you for joining. Kushina and Dharmastagram. Wow, that's a nice name. Thank you very much for joining, guys. Purnima, very happy to see you. Hare Krishna. Shilpa, hello there, and Hare Krishna. Swati, very happy to have you. Jyoti, Vivek, Chari, hi there. It's such a joy to be with all of you once again, and I feel delighted to join you all for these live sessions as always. Now, it's very important for us to understand this one thing, right? Time जाता नहीं है, time लाता है experience, और experience की बहुत वैल्यू होती है. टाइम जाता नहीं है, टाइम लाता है. क्या लाता है? एक्सपीरियंस, और एक्सपीरियंस की सबसे ज्यादा वैल्यू होती है. There was a reporter who once came to a billionaire and asked the billionaire, "Sir, you're a billionaire. What is the secret of your success? What is the secret behind you being a billionaire?" The man replied, "Two words." The reporter asked him, "Can I know what those two magic words are, sir?" The billionaire said, "Right decisions. Because I make right decisions, I am successful." The reporter said, "And may I ask you, on what basis do you make those right decisions, sir?" The billionaire said, "One word." The reporter said, "And what's that one magic word, sir?" The billionaire said, "Experience. It's based on experience that I make the right decisions." The reporter said, "Sir, but how do you gain that experience?" The billionaire said, "Two words." Like, kya chal raha hai? One word, two words. First two words, right decisions. On what basis? One word, experience. How do you get that experience? The billionaire said, "Two words." And the two magic words are wrong decisions. You make wrong decisions sometimes, you get experience, then you make the right decisions. But there's nothing as valuable as experience, wisdom, and personal realization. And that's precisely why last year we had started interacting with special guests who have had their own journeys. They've had their own right decisions, wrong decisions, successes, failures, ups and downs, peaks and valleys, and have gathered experience in their journey. And it's very important that we hear and listen to such people and enrich our lives from listening to their experiences. Last year we had several guests come, and we somehow had a break for a long time, and we want to resume our guest series and conversations with our guests with a very special guest this evening. We want to invite this evening Mr. Harshad Mehta, Mr. Pratik Gandhi. Of course, Pratik is very well known for a lot of his Gujarati plays and Gujarati theatre and Gujarati movies, but he became a sensation by playing the role of Harshad Mehta in the web series Scam 1992. We are extremely delighted to have him here. I'm just trying to see if he's with us and try and get him live as well. Give me just a moment. Pratik, if you're here, if you could send us a request or just comment here as well. If Pratik can comment, that will be great, and I can take you in straight away from here. Yes, I have you here, and I'm just going to quickly request Pratik to join us. Yes. We'll wait as Pratik joins us. I've sent him a request. Namaste and good evening, Pratik.
Namaste. Good evening. Good evening.
Such a pleasure to have you.
Pleasure is all mine, Guruji. Pleasure is all mine. I mean, I had never thought in my wildest dream that I'll get this chance, to be in the
Oh,
same frame as you.
oh. I was speaking to Pratik the other day, and just the vibration, the energy that coming from him is such a nice person, apart from his being a great actor, but such an amazing person. There's genuineness, authenticity, and one thing that I really felt was humility. So, really, really delighted to have you for this conversation, and thank you for making this happen.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm so glad that we are connected right now and we are going to talk something interesting. I'm looking forward to learn a lot of things from you, a lot of insights.
I talk a lot, so people want to listen to you, I guess. They listen to me all the time. But let's get started for this evening. Uh,
Yes, please.
so, Surat no Chokro. Here we have Surat no Chokro, Surat no Dikro, right? And studied industrial engineering, got into Reliance Industries as a job, uh, worked for a multinational corporation in Mumbai, but somehow seemed that always kept his acting going on. Right? Acting chalta raha, isn't it?
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
seems like acting is your passion, right?
Yes.
Now, now my question to you is, did you always know that acting was your passion? Did you figure out at some point that acting was your passion? If you did figure out, how did you figure out? क्योंकि हमको सुनने वाले यहाँ ना बहुत सारे youngsters हैं, a lot of youngsters here, right? And they're all looking
Yeah.
at how do they figure out what to do in life? You got it. You got it. It was
Yeah.
acting, right? So how did you figure that out? We would like to know, and any tips and advice for our audience and viewers. How do you figure out what your passion is, and how did you find it out for yourself?
So I guess this happened to me at a very early age. When I was in fourth standard, for the first time, I stepped on stage and performed a small skit of 5 minutes in my
Okay.
school, in one of the school gatherings, which is a monthly gathering in our school. And I enjoyed it so much so that I enjoyed the creation, the joy of creation. That I had something in my mind, those characters, two, three lines, and a situation, which I had no clue how will I translate it once I get everybody on stage. But it got translated.
Hmm.
All the audience could get it. They whistled, they clapped, they laughed, and that I guess was it was so fulfilling for me, so satisfying that I felt, "Okay, this is fun. This is where I got my connection.
Hmm.
I don't know that I don't remember one particular time or incident where I decided to be an actor, but because it happened at when I was in fourth standard, so I guess it became my second nature. And I had no
Hmm.
clue what am I going to do in future. I had no clue
Hmm.
whether I'll take it as a profession, I'll make it as a serious career also. But it was always in me. I
Hmm.
loved going on stage, talking to people, performing on stage, or translating a story into a performance, and being that medium where you be the character, create different characters, live different lives, and that's what I loved. I mean,
Hmm.
I've just
Hmm.
recently learned to put these things in words because it is such
Oh,
an internal process. It is such an
wow.
internal process. If somebody asks me, how do you act? I have no answer. If somebody asks me, what is your process? I have no answer. It is recently after giving so many interviews, I have started putting things in words. Otherwise, it is
Hmm.
it is an internal process. I feel something and I create. I try to create, and that is it.
Hmm.
So that's how it all began at a very early age. Similarly, because you spoke about passion, I keep
Hmm.
saying that I have a multiple passion disorder,
Huh. Okay.
if we can call it a disorder, because I feel passionate about multiple things.
Okay.
If I see
Like.
something, if it interests me, like, so if I am watching a cricket match, it is very difficult for me to keep watching it for hours because
Hmm. Hmm.
after 30, 40 minutes, I want to play it. I feel like, okay, let's just do it, let's do it.
Yeah.
Similarly, so engineering also happened purely out of passion. It was
Oh,
not,
okay.
yeah, it was not because of compulsion कि नहीं पढ़ना तो है ही, डिग्री तो लेनी
Oh,
ही है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं
जी,
था.
जी.
I enjoyed mechanical engineering and then production engineering. So then, I mean, later on, I went into industrial engineering, which is a specialized stream of
Yes,
mechanical engineering.
yes.
And I enjoyed working in that field. So I guess everything happened because of passion and love. I mean, nothing was forced upon me.
Oh, that's lovely. There are very few people in the world who have that these days, right? Like
Yes, yes,
इंडिया में हमारे समय में एक डायलॉग था जब मेरे बचपन में कि देर आर ओनली थ्री करियर्स यू हैव, राइट? यू कैन चूज फ्रॉम इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर और फेल्यूर. So, हमारे पास तीन ही ऑप्शन था, इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर या फेल्यूर.
Dr. Anshul. हाँ,
So there was always that pressure, right? But
हाँ.
for you, like you even took up a stream in your studies, something that you actually loved, something that you were passionate about, and that's actually fantastic, correct? Now, आपके लिए ये सब कुछ पैशन से करना आसान हो गया, right? Natural था, and you said that you
Naturally.
started putting it in words recently.
Yes.
इट वॉज लाइक यू आर इन अ फ्लो स्टेट. इसको एक
Flow
फ्रेज है
state.
जिसको बोलते हैं फ्लो स्टेट. फ्लो में
Flow
जा
state.
रहा है, एक स्मूथ करंट में चल रहा है, सब नेचुरली हो रहा है. और अभी उसको वर्ड्स दे रहे हैं, उसको सेंटेंसेस में लिख रहे हैं कि क्या क्या प्रोसेस है, होता है.
क्या प्रोसेस था? हाँ,
जी.
बिकॉज हो क्या रहा था ना, फ्लो स्टेट में भी क्या था, आई वॉज sure about one thing, that I love these things. Like, I love
करेक्ट,
performing on stage.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट.
I love engineering. I love innovations. I love
यस,
quality. I love excellence. All these things is what I get attracted to.
करेक्ट,
So I knew that if I do something in the field which attracts me, which excites me enough, I'll add value to it, and those things will add value to me as person.
करेक्ट,
And that's the
करेक्ट.
basic thought in my mind. And I'm coming from teachers family. So
यस,
my and
यस.
entire family, yeah, everybody is a teacher. Everybody is into Haveli Sangeet, Shastri
Oh,
Sangeet, Kirtan, and all.
oh, wow.
So there are lots and lots of artists in the family, but
Mhm.
nobody decided, or nobody made it a career.
Oh, okay, okay.
So in the whole family, art was a medium of sadhana.
Oh, brilliant.
So Bhakti Sangeet एक ही संगीत था घर पे, भक्ति
जी,
संगीत होता था.
जी,
And
जी.
that's how I picked up tabla. That's how I picked up music. That's how I picked up rhythm. That's how I picked
Oh,
up interest towards arts. तो
wow.
ये सारी चीजें ऐसी थी कि हमने तो ऐसा सोचा था कि दिस शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. मतलब आपको दूसरा
Oh,
कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है कि इंजीनियर डॉक्टर फेलियर वाली जो बात है उसमें, कि आप इंजीनियर
yeah,
बनो, चाहे टीचर बनो, चाहे डॉक्टर बनो, चाहे कुछ भी बनो, पर
correct,
art is a food for your soul. So be connected to it. It will help
correct,
you in the most difficult situation. Art helps you.
correct, correct, correct. Yeah, brilliant. What an answer, that things were like a part of your life, your art and everything was a part of your life, and it kind of evolved over a period of time as to what that
Yes.
journey would be. Like I always tell a story of how Michelangelo was once asked, कि you're such an incredible sculptor. आप
Yeah.
इतनी अच्छी मूर्ति बनाते हैं, मार्बल्स की स्टैचूज बनाते हैं, how do you make it? And Michelangelo gave a brilliant reply. He said the statue, the sculpture, the piece of art is already existing in that chunk of marble. What I do is
Yeah.
I just chisel off the excess marble. है ना? तो मुझे लगता है अपनी जर्नी भी ऐसी होती है, वो अंदर है, बस हमको थोड़ा थोड़ा जो ऊपर का कुछ कुछ है वो निकालते रहना पड़ता है, और टाइम लगता है कभी कभी. धीरे धीरे कुछ
Yeah.
अनवांटेड चीजें जाती है, and the path
Very well
evolves,
said,
right?
sir. Yeah, that's how, I mean, so that's how we rediscover, or we discover ourselves every
Correct.
time, in
Yes.
everything and anything that we do.
Yes. Indeed, indeed. But you know something? You left your job, correct? You left your job to get into theater.
Yeah.
और थिएटर में ऐसा कोई पैसा नहीं होता ज्यादा. અને તમે તો ગુજ્જુભાઈ છો, સિસ્ટમમાં જ પૈસો છે ને. Gujarati means, Gujarati Marwadi means a lot of money in the blood, business in the
Yeah.
blood, right? Now, to leave a job and get into theater, you don't even know whether it's going to turn into movies or get into industry. हिंदी तो छोड़ो भैया, गुजराती में
हाँ,
भी movies में आएंगे कि नहीं कोई खबर नहीं, right? You are
yeah,
right into
yeah,
you are just into theater, which doesn't even pay back in terms of money. Correct.
yeah.
It may give you experience in acting. It may give you satisfaction to follow your passion. Well, money-wise, I'm
Very
not too
true.
sure how much money is in theater. Right. Now, you as in your role as Harshad Mehta in Scam, right? You said market में सबसे बड़ी जोखिम है जोखिम नहीं लेना. Right.
हाँ.
And you said इश्क है तो रिस्क है तो इश्क है. Correct. So now आपने बड़ी जोखिम ली. हर्षद मेहता को छोड़ देते फिलहाल, राइट?
जी,
हर्षद मेहता
जी.
ने जो रिस्क ली, जो सही था, गलत था, let the financial analysts analyze that.
Yeah.
But Pratik Gandhi played the role of Harshad Mehta, and Pratik Gandhi also took a big jokhim to leave a job, settled job, and enter into something which you don't know whether it'll pay back or not. What is the future for it? Correct? So what was
Yeah,
going on
yeah.
in your mind? How did you take that risk? Should people take risks like that? What should be the basis of risks? रिस्क है तो इश्क है डायलॉग में अच्छा लगता है, राइट?
I know,
है ना?
I know, I agree to this.
जोखिम है मार्केट में, जोखिम क्या है? जोखिम नहीं लेना, वो अच्छा लगता है सुनने में. जो डायलॉग
Yeah.
सारा अच्छा है एकदम, राइट? But how do you actually in real life translate that into taking risks? How did you take your risk? How should people who are watching, should they be taking risks? What kind of risk should we be taking? What should be the basis? Some thoughts from you, Pradeep.
So, see, risk है तो इश्क है और जोखिम वाली जो बात आपने कही ना, if we put it in different words, is what I have learned in one of the training sessions in my corporate life, where they said that if you keep doing what you have been doing, you will keep getting what you have been getting. So that change,
Correct.
and you are the only person who can change or who get the change for yourself. Nobody else can do that. And I still remember the understanding of this line. It changed a lot of things inside me. कि बात बहुत सही है. And apart from that, I strongly believe, and I have experienced also, that whatever we do is out of love or fear. So my path was very clear that I had to select my love. I have to select the path of love, which is passion. And I guess beyond a point, your passion calls you. It's not it's not you who decide. It's your passion that decides you to take that path. And that's what happened with me. Having said that, in all the practical aspect, because I was working in a corporate and I guess I worked for almost 14, 15 years. Along with the job, I was doing theater and films and everything. So at one point, it was a point of discussion, and now this is it. It's like now or never situation. Either I plunged into it full time because I started getting opportunity losses. There were good plays, good films being offered to me, and I could not take it up because I was in a full-time job. So I could not, take those leaves frequently. So once in 2 years, I took leave of 20 days, 22 days, and shot one film.
Oh, okay.
That was my first Gujarati film DAR in 2012.
Okay.
मतलब 2013 की बात है, 2012.
जी.
After 2 years, I picked up another film, Wrong Side Raju, another Gujarati film that won National Award in 2016 for Gujarati film. Because in those 2 years, I was offered 5 films and I could not take it up.
Oh.
All that time, I started having a lot of opportunity losses in this field of acting, where I had given a lot of time, a lot of energy, and I guess I had given most of my family time to that field. So beyond a point, I started feeling that I'm living a selfish life. Because मुझे 2 चीजें करनी है, मैं कर रहा हूँ और मैं घर का टाइम बाहर बेच रहा हूँ. ये फील के साथ, ये गिल्ट के साथ मैं करते रहा. तो now this was a point where I feel कि यार अब आ रहा है, then what should I do? Similarly, in corporate life also, I had multiple career options. I had multiple offers from one of the big five consultancies also.
Correct.
They wanted me to go up to abroad for 1.5 years for a project.
जी, जी.
So now that was a time, I guess, that I was absolutely in a fixed situation that what should I do? This is the time I should do it. I should take it up. And my father actually helped me with his one line, and that changed my thought process, and I just took it.
Wow.
So my father told me that why are you bothering yourself with this thought and dilemma? Follow your heart, follow your passion. बुरे से बुरा क्या होगा? इसलिए तेरे पास खुद का घर नहीं होगा, गाड़ी नहीं होगी, पर तू बहुत खुश होगा. बाकी ढंग का तो कुछ कर ही लोगे. So if this is your calling, just follow this, and things will fall in place. So I guess collectively, me and the whole family, and I guess that was a time that Almighty must have decided for me that you wait for 16 years. After 16 years, you're supposed to get this. And I guess that's how in 2016, I just plunged into it. It was a leap of faith.
Yes.
And things worked out very well for me, Touchwood.
Wow, that's a story. Incredible story. What you said is very interesting, that once the passion just kind of comes to that level, it's like your love.
Yeah.
कोई लड़का अगर किसी लड़की के प्यार में पड़ जाता है तो आगे पीछे सोचता नहीं है वो. You know, when somebody is madly in love with another guy or a girl, the person doesn't think, just takes the plunge and gets into that relationship. Right. अभी कभी कभी बाद में क्या होता है वो पता नहीं है. Many times I joke by saying that love is blind and marriage can be an eye opener.
Eye opener.
कभी कभी बोलता हूँ. Right, but keeping the lighter side aside, the fact is that sometimes risks can go wrong, right? You can take a risk, and what if it didn't work for you? Correct. Maybe it couldn't, may not have. I took a risk. I left my mainstream career to become a monk. What if it didn't work for me? Correct. So, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि समंदर में फना होना किस्मत की कहानी है. आप अगर जहाज है आपके पास तो समंदर में तो जाना पड़ेगा, वो किनारे पे रहने के लिए नहीं है. आप निकल गए, और समंदर में फना होना किस्मत की कहानी है. दुख तो उन पे होता है जो किनारों पे मर जाते हैं.
Very well said, sir, and very well said. This is what I also thought. कि ये मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि मैं आगे 50 साल का हो जाऊंगा, 55 साल का हो जाऊंगा, तब बैठ के सोचूंगा कि यार मैं बहुत ब्रिलियंट एक्टर था, वो तो मौका नहीं मिला, बाकी मैंने भी कर दिया होता. That will never work.
Correct.
Correct. Because nobody will be interested in that. Absolutely. And I'll crib in a corner, blaming the whole world about it. कि इसने ये किया, इसने मौका नहीं दिया.
Blame game, and all we will have is regret.
Yeah.
Regret.
It is better that I take responsibility for myself, that this is it. I'm ready to fail, because I believe in failing early. Because if you fail early, as you correctly said, that you make bad decisions, fail, learn, and then make right decisions.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So spot on. So, you know, फिर एक बार दोहराता हूँ, समंदर में फना होना किस्मत की कहानी है. दुख तो उन पर होता है जो किनारों पर मर जाते हैं. But having said that, I also want to add this one point there, that you know, a lot of times what happens is, like there is a lot of financial liabilities at home, loans, EMIs. Sometimes there are terminally ill patients at home, and there is a big sense of responsibility on the shoulders, financial responsibility. And at that point in time, I feel that it's important to keep a stable source of income going, and side by side pursue your passion, and keep honing, refining it, until a time when your passion takes over and becomes a profession. Right? कुछ लोगों के लिए सीधा प्लंज लेना हो जाता है, रिस्क लेना हो जाता है, और कुछ लोगों के लिए अगर ऐसा नहीं हो, मैं तो कहता हूं कि ज्यादातर लोगों के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होता, क्योंकि इतनी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती है. सो उन जिम्मेदारियों को निभाते निभाते अपनी पैशन को भूल नहीं जाए. बस मैं ना कई बार कहता हूं, जिंदगी बड़ी अजीब है जनाब, क्योंकि इस जिंदगी में ना कुछ लोग अपने अपनों के लिए सपनों को भूल जाते हैं, और कुछ लोग
it's
अपने सपनों के लिए अपनों को भूल जाते हैं, you know. So
yeah.
we don't want to do both. We don't want to do both. So to find that balance, for most people, it would be finding that middle path. But for some people, and like what Pratik said very beautifully, is to take responsibility for our failures if it doesn't work, right? And
Yeah.
grow from that failure. That was a brilliant point. But cigarette तो मैं पीता नहीं हूँ, है ना. लेकिन जेब में लाइटर जरूर रखता हूँ क्योंकि धमाका करना है, नहीं. So, so हर्षद भाई ने तो सिगरेट नहीं पी, हर्षद भाई ने जेब में लाइटर रखा ये करने के लिए कि धमाका करना है. लेकिन प्रतीक भाई ने भी स्कैम 1992 में बहुत बड़ा धमाका तो जरूर कर दिया. Right. Like I saw that. I don't watch much like movies and web series. There's very few things I would see, given who I am, based on recommendations by people. Right. I
Okay.
met Harshad Mehta in person. Right. I met Harshad Mehta. I told you the other day on the phone call.
Yes.
I have met him. Right. So having said that, I met him and I knew him. Correct. So it was definitely important for me to watch this when somebody recommended. So I saw it. और मैंने जब देखा तो मैंने कहा भैया सिगरेट तो पीता नहीं हूँ, जेब में लाइटर जरूर रखता हूँ क्योंकि धमाका करना है. And then I said, this young man, Pratik, धमाका कर दिया. Right. Sensational acting. I'm extremely fond of the craft of acting. मुझे जब मैं कुछ देखता हूं तो उसमें एक्टिंग नहीं लगनी चाहिए.
Yes.
I don't care for looks and a sculpted body and all of that stuff. That's all okay. I'm not saying that's bad. That's all fine. Correct. But I look for the craft of acting. कि आदमी उसमें इतना घुस जाए रोल में कि अगर चाल में मिडिल क्लास का रोल करना है तो वो हो जाए. अगर बड़े बंगले में एक अमीर आदमी का रोल करना है वो नेचुरल हो. स्टॉक मार्केट में मैनिपुलेशन करना है वो नेचुरल हो. जेन्युइन बनना है वो नेचुरल हो. वो इतना एक अपने जहन में घुस जाना चाहिए ना एक्टिंग. सो आई फील आपने प्रतीक एक बड़ा जोरदार धमाका किया स्कैम, राइट. And I don't know if you've heard of this guy called Daniel Day-Lewis, British actor, British Irish actor, like a master actor.
Yeah.
Right. He won several BAFTAs and was also nominated for Oscars. Now, this guy, his philosophy was method acting,
Yes.
which is पूरे रोल में घुस के वो रोल में जाके जीते थे उस रोल. Like 1998 से लेके 2021 में उन्होंने केवल 6 फिल्में की है. 6 movies with a 4 to 5 years gap because he would want to live that role, correct?
Yes.
So dhamaka karte hain wo bhi. Incredible acting. So my question to you is you reach the level of excellence there. There's excellence in that acting, right? I don't think it's me saying it. There's a lot of critical acclaim and everybody's talking about it, right? So my question is, how does somebody reach excellence in what they do? धमाका कैसे किया जाता है, right? कैसे किया धमाका स्कैम 1992 में आपने. और हमारे जो दर्शक देख रहे हैं, all our people who are watching us, a lot of youngsters, right? So my point is, whatever they are doing in life, जो भी कर रहे हैं, उसमें वो कैसे धमाके तक पहुंचे जैसे आपने एक धमाका किया.
So sir, इसमें ना मेरा बहुत ही सिंपल सा थॉट प्रोसेस था. Because I don't know there is any magic to reach to that excellence. And if I just apply my engineering thought process also into it, that's change and excellence. The change is constant and excellence is not a destination, it's a journey. So there is no one point where you feel that, okay, now this is excellent. Because it changes constantly.
Correct.
So when we say best, perfect, or excellent, these are relative terms.
Absolutely.
So, and I love that journey path, that particular thing, where you constantly seek improvement in anything and everything that you do.
Yes.
What helped me in this field also is constantly looking for the opportunities to add value to it. So when I was given this role, or I mean, whatever that character I had been doing on stage or everywhere, I feel acting is a very spiritual process. Performing art is a spiritual
Correct.
process. Because if I fake it, if I put mathematics to it, कि अगर ऐसा कुछ करना है तो मैं फॉर्मूला नंबर 34 निकाल के ऐसे देखूंगा, अगर
बराबर.
ग्रीफ है तो मैं 36 फॉर्मूला नंबर 64 निकालूंगा. इट डजंट वर्क दैट वे.
Correct.
I have to feel it. I have to be true to myself. If I don't feel that emotion, you will catch me as an audience. कि fake है. See,
जी.
audience is, और audience बहुत भोली होती है sir. Audience might not put it in correct words. Audience has
जी.
only two expression. Audience
Correct.
सिर्फ दो ही expression में बताती है. मजा आया और मजा नहीं आया. इसके बीच का जो थिन स्लाइसिंग है ना, वो हमें करना पड़ता है. कि अगर तुमको मजा आया तो क्यों आया है वो मुझे समझना है, और अगर मजा
जी.
नहीं आया तो क्या चीजें
क्यों
काम
नहीं
नहीं
आया?
किए वो भी मुझे समझना है.
जी. जी.
So as an actor, in whatever limited reach or authority that I have to that particular film or a project,
Correct.
I have to be true to my character and its world without thinking कि अगर मैं ऐसे दिखूंगा तो खराब दिखेगा,
जी. जी.
अगर मैं ये कपड़े यहाँ से पहनूंगा तो ऐसा दिखेगा. I have to become that character. So what I do, and it's a simple process that has worked for me since years, be it stage, Gujarati film or Hindi film or scam, that just be the character.
Correct.
और एक्शन और कट के बीच में एक्टिंग नहीं करनी है. जब
Natural.
डायरेक्टर एक्शन बोलता है, हाँ, तब आई जस्ट हैव टू बी अ कैरेक्टर. आई डोंट हैव टू एक्ट. आई हैव टू मेक दैट मोमेंट लाइव एंड आई हैव टू फील इट. सो इट्स जस्ट मोर ऑफ रिएक्शन देन द एक्शन. एंड आई गेस दिस वर्क्स ब्रॉडली एज यू सेड कि वो एफर्ट, क्योंकि एक्टर्स में ये बोलते हैं सर कि इफ आई पुट अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट in creating something in front of you, you as an audience will get tired. कि यार बहुत एफर्ट डाल रहा है, आपको जारिंग लगने लगेगा.
बिल्कुल 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 नकली लगेगा पूरा.
वो बहुत नकली लगेगा.
Absolutely. Beautifully answered. And I think हम लोग दो इंजीनियर बैठे हैं तो बहुत सारी इंजीनियरिंग टर्म्स प्रतीक is throwing a lot of engineering jargon today. स्कैम में बहुत फाइनेंशियल जार्गन डाल दिया, अभी लाइफ में पूरा इंजीनियरिंग जार्गन डाल रहे हैं.
लाइफ में नहीं सीखा, नहीं जाना ऐसा फाइनेंस मुझे पूरा स्कैम के लिए सीखना पड़ा था.
100%
बिकॉज एज यू करेक्टली सेड कि गुजरातीज के लिए पैसा सब कुछ होता है, लार्जली दे आर बिजनेस कम्युनिटी. बट आई एम अ गुजराती जिसके फादर ने, फोरफादर ने, फैमिली में किसी ने ना कभी बिजनेस
नहीं किया,
ना कभी शेयर मार्केट में पैसा बनाया. किसी ने पैसा ही नहीं बनाया हमारे घर पे.
मैं ऐसा मारवाड़ी हूँ जिसके किसी ने बिजनेस नहीं किया और पैसा नहीं बनाया. But I love the answer you gave. It's a beautiful answer. I feel that when we're talking about excellence, excellence is not so much about a destination. It is a journey. And I really love the point that we're constantly improvising on that journey, because by the time you say that this is where I am, things change.
Things change.
The industry changes. The what people like changes. We change. Our evolution changes. There's a lot of change that comes. So definitely it's an evolutionary process. I definitely agree to that. And good to know that between the cut and the action is you.
Easy. You don't have to act. अगर उधर एक्टिंग किया तो पकड़े जाओगे.
बिल्कुल. और ऑडियंस को दो ही चीजें समझती है, मजा आया, मजा नहीं आया.
मजा नहीं आया.
वो बीच में भोली जनता है, वो बस वो एनालाइज नहीं करने वाले कि इसने क्या किया जो मजा नहीं आया. वो मुझे करना है.
हाँ, वो मुझे करना है, वो मेरा काम.
मुझे करना है. बिल्कुल. I can tell you even as a speaker, right? Like I'm talking to you, I'm very naturally speaking to you, spontaneously.
Yeah.
So one of my things is I'm very spontaneous. I'm not like a scripted man. Right? मैं ऐसा स्क्रिप्ट लेके मैं बात नहीं करता. I do a lot of events. I sometimes speak in front of an audience of 25,000, 30,000 people in a stadium. And when I'm talking, right, on stage, moving around, there is definitely a structure to it. क्योंकि अगर 30,000 लोग आए हैं और spontaneously बोलने जाए, कुछ आया नहीं, तो they'll be disappointed. Right? So there's definitely a structure to it, but there's a lot of scope for your authentic self and spontaneity, जिसमें से वो naturally flow होता है, right? So I think when we are talking about achieving excellence, मैंने एक बार पैब्लो पिकासो की बहुत अच्छी कहानी सुनी थी. Pablo Picasso, the great artist, he was walking on the street one day and a lady came and said, "Hey Pablo, will you make a pencil sketch of mine?" तो Pablo ने बोला, हाँ. He took his pencil, in 30 seconds he made a pencil sketch. 30 seconds, right? 30 सेकंड में पेंसिल स्केच बनाया और उसके हाथ में दे दिया और he said $30,000, madam. He said, "Hey Pablo, 30 seconds में बनाया, 30 seconds से वो $30,000 for making it in 30 seconds." Pablo said, "Madam, the $30,000 are not for making it in 30 seconds. The $30,000 are for the 30 years of hard work to be able to make it in 30 seconds."
30 seconds.
Excellence के पीछे 30 साल का रगड़ना होता है.
हाँ.
आज के 2020 में प्रतीक गांधी, हर्षद भाई बने स्कैम में, लेकिन 2012 से लेकर 2020 तक के 8 साल का रगड़ना किसी ने देखा नहीं है. वो स्टेज पे जाना, वो घबराहट हो या वो रिस्क हो या वो नर्वसनेस हो या वो फेलियर्स हो या वो सक्सेस हो, ये सब कोई देखता नहीं है. और जो भी व्यक्ति बनता है वो आइसबर्ग के टिप को देखता है बस. नीचे समंदर के नीचे, beneath the ocean, there's a massive chunk of the iceberg which is responsible for the tip which the world watches. Right. So beautiful answer, and I feel just a point to everybody who's watching that excellence is a journey, not a destination. Needs to be improvised constantly, but it needs honing, refining, hard work, constant giving yourself 200% to what you're doing, nothing less than 200%. And that's the only way you reach where you are, isn't it? So
Yes,
Pratik,
yes.
thank you very much for that incredible answer. But history ऐसी नहीं बनती, नहीं? हिस्ट्री ऐसे नहीं बनती है जी. लोगों को साथ में लेके चलना पड़ता है. साथ में लेके चलना पड़ता है. मैं 100 लोगों की एक ऐसी सेना बनाना चाहता हूं जो मुझे अपना 100% देंगे. और फिर अपन, आई विल यूज दैट वर्ड अपन नाउ. फिर अपन 1001% हिस्ट्री बनाएंगे. So I think that I love that dialogue in Scam, because I 200% vouch for the fact that history is created with the support of people. Right. You can't make history by yourself. You need the right people in your life. And you have created history now. You created history by coming up in a role where everybody is talking Pratik. Now Pratik means Harshad Mehta means Pratik. ऐसा हो गया वो. Inseparable roles हो गए. Correct. So when we are talking about that, those people who give 100%, right? कि ऐसे लोग हों जो 100% हम में विश्वास करें, हमें अपना कमिटमेंट दे. ऐसे लोग जब सफर में रहते हैं ना, तो सफर में हम जहां पहुंचना पहुंच सकते हैं. So my question to you is, who are those people in your life? Could be in the industry who believed in you, could be in the family who believed in you, could be in your friend circle who believed in you, could be in your social circle who believed in you. क्योंकि हर हनुमान को ना एक जाम्बवान लगते हैं. हनुमान कई बार भूल जाता है कि उसमें क्या शक्ति है. तो जब जाम्बवान याद दिलाए कि भाई हनुमान, आप में एक क्षमता है कि आप समंदर लांग के लंका जा पाओ, तब हनुमान को याद आता है कि मुझ में ये शक्ति है. I have this strength in me. So who are those people in your life? Who are your Jambavans? And who are those who believed in you? कि लोगों को साथ लेके आप चले आगे, और वो लोग जिन्होंने प्रतीक भाई को बनाया.
Oh, so there are. I guess I'm blessed. I'm super blessed to have such people around me, all through my life. It starts with my family. My family always believed, always supported, and that too not a blind support. With that critical eye constantly on, they supported. Like I tell you one small example, when earlier in the school times, I used to participate in almost all the competitions and never won any prize ever.
Correct.
And I want, so back then we used to hear a lot of things about partiality, कह रहे तुम्हारा ही नंबर था पर उसको दे दिया, वो इसका चाचा है, भतीजा है, whatever, whatever. So one day I just went home and I spoke to my father. Okay, I think I was good, but because of some partiality I didn't win. And my father told me that this is an excuse that you can give yourself. Feel comfortable, go and sleep. But this will not help you improve yourself. So forget about partiality or anything else. You lost because you were not good enough. Even if they were ready to do partiality with you, what if you had won with miles and not with millimeters? Then they can't even do it even if they want.
Correct.
So you raise your bar. Stop blaming the world. And this is a piece of advice which is very, very important in our field of performing arts. Because we artists, we are very emotional. We are supposed to be emotional because emotion is what we are selling. So I am supposed to be
correct.
But at the same time, I have to be constantly self-aware about myself. कि नहीं यार ये गलत है शायद. I need improvement here. और ये कौन बताएगा? Unless I create that aura or that kind of comfort around me that anybody who comes close to me can tell me truth.
Yes.
Without fearing that इसको बुरा लगेगा कि अच्छा नहीं होगा. नहीं, I need to listen to the correct criticism for me to improve. And that can come from only these near ones, those who are constantly believing in me. As you correctly said कि अगर मुझे ऐसा कोई कहे कि नहीं तू ये कर सकता है, but you are wrong here, you improve here. That's where I'll improve. सिर्फ ताली जाने वाले लोग होंगे तो it is very difficult to survive in the field in this kind of fields. So my family constantly supported me with this kind of criticism also, this kind of encouragement also.
Brilliant.
And they forced me also beyond the point. कि कर लो यार, कर लो, कुछ नहीं, क्या होगा? We are there. My wife, because I still remember I did not have house, I did not have enough money to buy another one or get another house on rent. When she was pregnant, when we were expecting a baby. And at that time, I was offered a first film and she said that, just go for it. We'll manage.
Wow.
We'll do something about it.
You have to get her in the frame if she's around.
Oh, she's not around. She just went out with my little one.
Okay.
So, अगर वो नहीं हुआ होता तो शायद यहाँ तक पहुंचना difficult था. Even in the office that I was working, all my colleagues, because they knew that I do shows in the evenings or in weekends and all. अगर वो जो ने पहली फिल्म के लिए 20 दिन की छुट्टी नहीं दी होती तो शायद मैं वो फिल्म नहीं कर पाता, तो शायद यहाँ तक पहुंचता ही नहीं.
बिल्कुल.
My Masi and my cousins and all, because I came from Surat to Bombay, I had no place to stay. I stayed with them for almost 6 months. And figured out that how will I survive in this city, where I have to pay my own bills, and how will I make things happen.
Correct.
So I guess these are a whole set of people who constantly supported me, constantly guided me.
Correct. Amazing. Thank you for sharing that experience of yours with people. क्योंकि लोगों के साथ लेके ही हिस्ट्री बनती है 100%. And I really love this thing that you said about what your father said, right? That don't play the blame game. दोस्तों सब ये पॉइंट आप नोट कर लीजिए, सब लोग जो देख रहे हैं. ब्लेम गेम खेल के अगर वो गलत कर भी रहे हैं तो भी उससे आपका कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You just cribbing and complaining that they're partial and they're just playing that blame game is not taking us anywhere. And it's crucial and important that we improve and we raise the bar, which he very rightly said. And what a beautiful thing that if they wouldn't have given the 20 days leave, 20 दिन की छुट्टी नहीं मिलती तो कैसे कर पाते, है ना? और इसलिए हर इंसान ना उन जामवानों के लिए बहुत शुक्रगुजार रहता है, कृतज्ञ रहता है कि इनकी वजह से ही आज मैं हूँ, जो भी हूँ मैं वो उनकी वजह से, right? Like for me also, tomorrow's Father's Day. So glad you brought about this point about your father, right? And मुझे भी याद है when I was studying my engineering, I think first I did my diploma in electrical engineering, then I studied engineering from COEP. Right? So when I was doing my diploma in engineering, I stood first practically every semester. And in my last semester, which is the main semester, I stood second. Right. I stood second in my college, but that meant third in Maharashtra.
Mm.
So I remember my father. I came back and my father. मैंने मार्कशीट मेरे फादर ने बोला क्या हुआ, तो मैंने वो मार्कशीट ऐसे ली और फादर पे यूं ऐसी थमा दिया, फेंक दी, and not out of disrespect but out of frustration. और बहुत I don't cry usually, but that day I started crying क्योंकि सपना था वो स्ट्रेट टॉपर, राइट, एंड दैट मेंट अ गोल्ड मेडल. और
Yeah.
सोने की जरूरत नहीं थी हमको, सोना मारवाड़ी है हम, उसको मेडल में सोने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन वो एक ऑनर होता है, राइट, गोल्ड मेडल. सो I remember crying, and my father, I remember he said something very interesting to me. Since it's Father's Day and you brought the point of your father, what you learned, I thought as an honor to my father who's no more, I would share this story. My father looked at me in my eye and he said to me, "Look, son, देखो बेटा, रैंक जो है ना आज का है बस, कल को कोई याद नहीं रखने वाला कि तुम फर्स्ट आए थे कि सेकंड आए थे कि थर्ड आए थे. You look at how well you have done in your marks and in your performance. नंबर जो है रोज का बदलता रहता है और किसी को याद नहीं रहता. He said to me, "You look at how you have done. You've done well, right? You've given your 200%, and then there is your karma and your destiny and your luck. As much as you gave your best, and then the rest is in the hands of whoever up there. You gave your best. Don't worry. Now you go ahead and do exactly the way you did in college, giving your best, and it'll bring you where you need to be." So I can never forget what
So
my father
very well said.
Ranks, numbers,
Yeah.
आते जाते
Very
रहते
well
हैं.
said.
Performance और excellence कभी नहीं जाएगा. You give your best. Right? So to
Yeah,
all
because
the
that comes
fathers
from
who are
intention.
watching,
Yeah.
yeah, of course. To all the fathers who are watching, if there are any, wish you all a happy Father's Day. Pratik, wish you a happy Father's Day.
Yes. Oh, thank you.
I'm sure Miraya will say that to you, but
Yeah, she's making a card for me.
oh, lovely. Lovely. And to all those who are not fathers yet, please do wish your fathers happy Father's Day tomorrow, because mothers को ना बहुत लोग glorify करते हैं. Fathers को उतना कोई बोलता नहीं है. Underrated है fathers का रोल कई बार, because they are the ones who उनका love दिखाने का तरीका थोड़ा अलग होता है ना, सेंटी नहीं होता है. तो
ज्यादातर टाइम तो वो लव दिखाने के लिए अवेलेबल ही नहीं होते बेचारे कहीं ना कहीं.
So now one last question before we end, and then with this last question, then we'll end with one word associations. Right.
Yes, please.
So yeah. So this one last question to you is success क्या है? Right.
Failure
Failure
के
के
बाद
बाद
करना
का
अच्छा
chapter
question.
है. Lala. I had to say Lala once to you.
लाला.
Lala. सक्सेस क्या है, फेलियर के बाद का एक चैप्टर है ना. तो फेलियर्स के बिना सक्सेस कैसे, कोई नहीं जानता. Nobody is successful without failure. So I would like you to tell our audience, if you like it, if you like to share, what was your worst failure? Right? Like in your career, what was like your worst failure you felt like this is rock bottom? इससे नीचे और कहीं नहीं जाया जा सकता. Correct. And if this was my worst failure, what was it that actually brought me back? What did I learn from there? और मैंने कैसे, तब मेरी वो डेफिनेशन सच में हो जाएगी कि सक्सेस क्या है, फेलियर के बाद का अगला चैप्टर. राइट. So I would like you to share, if you want to, a story or whatever from your experience, and tell our audience how you dealt with it and inspire them to understand that failure is the foundation of success.
So failure, the biggest, I guess the first failure that I experienced when I was in 12th science,
Mm-hmm.
and I did not score enough to get direct admission in degree engineering.
Oh.
Though the childhood thought was there in my mind that I wanted to become a doctor since my school time. पर 12th के रिजल्ट के बाद तो ऐसा था कि डॉक्टर तो छोड़ दो, वो मेडिकल का तो हिसाब ही नहीं है, तुमको डिग्री में भी एडमिशन नहीं मिलेगा. और तब सिविल इंजीनियरिंग वाज द लास्ट स्ट्रीम टू गेट.
करेक्ट एब्सोल्युटली.
सिविल में भी डायरेक्ट एडमिशन नहीं मिला मुझे, मतलब ऐसी हालत. And I guess in the whole group of friends, about 25 friends, me and one of my friends, we were the only two people who did not get direct admission in degree engineering, and we had to select a path of diploma.
Mm, mm,
I guess that was the point where I felt that something really bad has happened to me. Now, I mean, I don't know where will I go from this point because I had this understanding that if I have not scored enough in 12th, I guess the career is at stake now. And
mm.
back in that time in Gujarat, there were only 2 seats from diploma to degree.
Correct.
So
Same my
first
time.
two
Similar.
rankers, yeah. So first two rankers of the state will get admission from diploma to degree.
Correct. Correct.
So even though I scored a distinction in diploma around 86-87%, but I was not the in first two. So I lost that chance also.
Correct.
Now that was really heartbreaking for me. And I felt that there is a dark hole right now in front of me. I don't know where will I go, what will I do.
Yeah.
Because acting, I was doing acting. I was doing performances on stage, but I had
Yes.
never thought that I'll make it a career because I was in Surat. I had no idea that you can make it a career.
Yes. Yes.
So वो बहुत ही एक weird सा time था. But what
जी.
worked for me is that I wanted to utilize each and every second of the day.
Mm, mm, mm.
I cribbed for almost 3-4 months. कि यार क्या हो गया, अब क्या करूंगा, अब क्या करूंगा, अब क्या करूंगा. And during those cribbing sessions in one of the rooms, I felt कि यार ये अब क्या करूंगा का कोई जवाब होगा नहीं. तुम
बिल्कुल.
बैठे रहोगे और 4 महीने गए ना, वैसे 4 साल निकल जाएंगे, पता नहीं चलेगा.
Correct.
So क्या करूंगा सोचने से बेटर ये है कि start doing things.
जी. जी.
I picked up a job, then I joined a theater group there. I started working on multiple things.
जी. जी.
I guess मैंने इतना सारा काम करना शुरू कर दिया. I met a lot of people. In one of those people that I met, he gave me that idea that you can go to Maharashtra and study. After 11 months. So मैंने
Correct.
पहले तो 11 महीने सूरत में सेल्स का जॉब किया. वहां पर भी कांस्टेंट फेलियर, ये उसके साथ पता चला कि दिस इज हाउ द सेल्स वर्ल्ड वर्क्स.
Correct.
सो आई गॉट दैट फर्स्ट. जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि पहली जॉब तो सेल्स की होनी चाहिए. इट टीचेस यू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, यू नो. और ये रिजेक्शंस की जो आदत पड़ जाती है ना सेल्स में,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
you come and then you become a stronger person. You know how to deal with rejections, how to convert
Yeah.
that into your strength.
Correct.
So I guess before I came to Bombay, Almighty trained me for all these situations which I was supposed to face here on a smaller scale there.
Correct.
Because यहाँ acting के field में rejection is a part of our regular day-to-day life. You
जी,
go for audition and वो लोग.
Correct.
And I gave audition for 16 long years, so I know that how it works.
Yes. Absolutely.
But because that small experience of sales job there helped me a lot.
Correct.
Maneuvering my mind, my thoughts, discarding the bitterness, discarding the negativity, and working only on positivity and passion constantly.
Correct. Correct.
So that worked very well. And I guess from there onwards, journey changed. I went to Maharashtra. I did my degree engineering. From there, I came to Bombay. And I started working in both the fields together.
Yes. Yes.
Working in 2 fields was, I guess, the outcome of this situation. कि अगर तुम 12th में कम मार्क्स आए ना, you failed in one of your dreams. So now you design another path, which is unique, which you love, and which is unique for yourself. So working in 2 fields, मतलब वो ऐसी challenge थी कि सबने यही बोला कि यार you can't give your 100%.
Correct.
तो मुझे ऐसा था कि ऐसा क्यों हो सकता है यार, कर सकता है ना कोई आदमी 2 चीजें करना चाहता हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
So, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, फेल होंगे.
Correct.
देख लेंगे. I kept working in 2 fields for 15 years and I guess I grew in both the fields. जॉब करते करते भी मुझे 12 साल में 4 प्रमोशंस मिले.
जी. Wow. Good.
I joined as junior manager and I resigned as deputy general manager.
Oh wow. Amazing.
And here I started working back to back in experimental theater spaces.
Yes.
So I guess these kind of outcomes come only once you face these challenging times.
Yes.
तो अब तो ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे कोई चैलेंजिंग टाइम आता है ना, मुझे मजा ही आता है कि इसमें से कुछ नया निकलने वाला है. सो जस्ट वेट. कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है. चैलेंज आती है तो मुझे लगता है कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है.
Absolutely. Thank you for that answer, Pratik. Brilliant answer. And I think we don't fail when we fall. We fail when we fail to rise.
Yes.
We never fail when we fall. We only fail when we fail to rise back up again. और मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि जनाब इंसान तो जनाब यहाँ तो घायल हर एक परिंदा है, यहाँ तो घायल हर एक परिंदा है, लेकिन जो उठकर उड़ सका वही जिंदा है।
वही जिंदा है। बॉक्सिंग का भी सेम नियम है।
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। So brilliant answers and such a pleasure talking to you, Pratik. I absolutely loved chatting with you and speaking with you and understanding from you behind the scenes, Pratik Gandhi. But a quick little one-word associations, quick
Yes,
answers.
please.
Yes. So what do these things mean to you, your parents?
My world. I guess the reason of existence.
Correct. Family,
Family is an anchor to me.
anchor, siblings.
Siblings are they're reflections of myself. So my younger
Wow.
brother is a reflection of myself. Yeah.
Wow, wow.
So he completes me. Like we are poles apart, but he completes me. So
Oh,
that's the
wow,
best
lovely,
thing.
lovely. Wife?
Wife is power. So वो तो power engine है. मतलब I guess she's the engine.
Wow, wow. Miraya?
Niraya is my heart. मतलब वो heartbeat जो होता है. I guess yeah. So
Work for you is
work for you. Work for me is my passion, my food, my soul, my fuel, everything. Like I can't live without work. I can't think.
religion?
Religion is a guiding force, I guess.
Guiding force. Spirituality?
Spirituality. Okay, so in my mind, I interchange religion and
Put them
spirituality.
both the same. Same. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
So
both the
guiding
same.
force. Guiding force.
Guiding force. Yeah.
God.
God is somebody that I feel within.
Feel within. Okay. And now ગુજરાતી में કહે છે ને શું સુરત નો જમણ અને કાશી નો મરણ.
Maran.
Maran. So one favorite Surti dish?
One favorite सूरती एक ही बोलना है क्या? ये जाती है सर. मतलब सूरत की
सबसे ज्यादा
सूरत की बात है और एक ही खाने की चीज बोलना, मतलब ये तो इट्स अ टॉर्चर. बट स्टिल इफ आई हैव टू से ओनली वन थिंग, इट्स खमण.
Come on, okay. And
सुरती खमण.
okay, there, huh? Like nails it.
There, it's like there, man. Yeah.
And your favorite role, the best you've done so far, you think?
I guess Harshad Mehta's character, yeah, Scam.
Really good, yeah. And if there be a favorite dialogue from Scam 1992, what would that, like the favorite dialogue for you?
My personal favorite is success क्या है? Failure के बाद कहना chapter.
And success to you is?
Success is a combination of preparation and opportunity.
Preparation and opportunity. Money to you is?
It's the tool to live life. Nothing else beyond point. Yeah.
Tool to live
It's
life.
a tool. Yeah.
Tool. And life itself?
Life is a journey to explore.
Brilliant answers. Thoughtful, reflectful, instant, quick. And next, when we meet, we have to have Surti Khaman.
I'll get it for you.
But such a pleasure to speak to you, Pratik. It was such an experience this evening, and I'm so grateful you took out your
Thank
time
you.
and spent this time with all of our audience here. And thank you all very much for joining us. And stay tuned. We will very soon be inviting very special guests to have conversations with us as well and learn from their experience as well, like we learned from Pratik's incredible experience this evening. So thank you for spending time with us. Wish you a great evening, a happy Father's Day, and my love to everybody at home and your family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you, everyone.
If you want another amazing video highlighting excellence in the Indian community, check it out right there next to me. I think you'll enjoy it. Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.